Hey, what's up, everybody? Good morning. It's me, Shy. Anyways, coming at you guys from the Delta. It's early in the morning, 5:50 right now. About to meet up here with my buddy Joe from Core Fishing. We're launching here today at Paradise Point. We're gonna be doing some striper fishing and bass fishing. So stay tuned, and hopefully we hook up on a few stripers and stuff. That's our main goal today. Anyways, it's kind of dark, so yeah, just if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. Man, yesterday was so brutal. That wind and rain was like killing me. But today I'm a little drier. It shouldn't be too shouldn't be wet or windy today. The highest it should be is around 7 or 8. Yesterday I thought it was 7 or 8, but it was actually 18 miles per hour. So anyways, all right, let's go do this. All right, I'm out. Peace. Here we go. Deadly. All good. Oh yeah, I want. Come on, I want something. I want something. I got something. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Oh yeah, striper. Here we go. There we go, striper. But oh, he choked it. But I don't think it's a keeper though. Hey, all right. Woo! Thanks, Joe. Like I said, it was either gonna be the jerkbait or the glide. All right, check that out, guys. First striper is choked on it. Ooh, man, I don't know, he choked it. Yeah. All right. Yeah, finally. It was like way in there. Oh. Oh man, good stuff, Joe. Heck yeah. Oh man, the good old Sneaky Pete came through. The good old Sneaky Pete came through. Woo! Check that out, man. Joe on a nice one.
Check that out, guys. Solid one. Solid one. On that Sneaky Pete. My friend, check it out.
Damn, look at that, Joe.
Out, guys. Nice one.
Good stuff, Joe. Yeah, usually if you go in the mornings, that's pretty much.
Afternoon, I'm already ready to go.
Yeah.
So if I go in like afternoon, then I want to go till like evening.
Right. Yeah.
So that's how I always kind of fish.
Yeah.
It's very rare that I'll go like at 11 o'clock or
Oh, I don't know. Oh yeah. Yeah. Want something? Oh yeah, it's a keeper.
Oh yeah.
It's a keeper. No, it's a keeper. I think it's a keeper, right?
Oh, that's a keeper.
You think so?
I think so.
Let's see. Let's see.
I'm betting.
Oh man, let's hope so. I don't know. I might be short.
That's like a 19, 20 inch right there.
I don't know. Let's see.
Go.
Oh yeah, that chartreuse. I don't know.
I'm calling it.
Check it out, guys. Boom, Duralis, chartreuse Kella. Boom. Let's see if we can get one.
Board is right underneath you in that compartment.
All right, guys, we're on 2. Whew, what a day. Joe's got that giant right there, about 30 inches. Mine is 19 inches. Yeah.
But in that morning and evening, that's really hot.
Oh.
That's why when we had such a laying overcast, it's like, dang, dude, I think somebody...
Oh, another one. Oh, another one. Keeper. Keeper. Oh! Oh, I suck, man. Oh, oh, I'm on.
Big time.
Oh, it's a little baby. It's a little baby. This time I had my drag on though.
Set that thing hell on, bro.
This time I had my drag on though.
Tank, bro.
Oh, all right, let's go. All right, woo, check that out, guys. Woo. Monster. Got it on that chartreuse and clear jerkbait. There it is, guys. I don't know if you can see it. Let this baby go right here. There it is. Small guy, probably about 15 inches, 16. Gonna go right here. All right, guys, check it out. I got this little jerkbait box that I just bought off Amazon, and I got these jerkbait right here from Core Fishing. Check it out. It's Core Fishing. This is a bone color, a white color, and bone with the chartreuse head. And then we got this killer color right here. It's like a little trout color. But anyways, check it out. Core Fishing jerkbaits. He's gonna be selling them $10 each, so check him out and help support him, guys. All right, let's go. Hey, what's up, everyone? It's me, Shy. Anyways, fishing here with my buddy Joe.
What's up, guys?
From Core Fishing. We've been fishing. It's about, what time is it right now? Let me see. It's 11:21 right now. We're striper fishing in the morning. Caught a few, lost a few, but right now we're switching up to bass. We're gonna be bass fishing, so stay tuned. Hopefully we hook on a few bass. Let's go. Anywhere. Oh shoot. Oh no. Hey, what's up, everyone? It's me, Shy. Anyways, about to call it a day here in the Delta. Today I got invited out by Joe from Core Fishing to do some striper fishing and bass fishing. Mostly striper fishing. We started around, I want to say 7 or 6:30 to 7. Man, Joe missed a big hit in the morning, and then I caught a couple dinks, lost a few. Joe ended up catching a nice 25 plus inch, pretty thick one, really nice one. And then I caught like a 19 inch one, maybe 18 and a half. Lost a few too. I was like, man, so disappointing. But overall, it was a fun day, man. We got about 6 hits, and then yeah. Later after that, we did a little bass fishing, not much. The tide started going down, so yeah, I just decided to call it a day. But overall, it was a great day, fun day. Once again, shout out to Joe for inviting me out. Always, always a pleasure, fishing with Joe and stuff. But anyways, yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. As always, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and hit that bell icon. My name is Shy Nation. All right, guys. Peace out from the Delta.